Good morning, my name is Dr. Jeremy McAnulty and I'm here with a COVID update for New South Wales for Thursday the 6th of January 2022. Across New South Wales, 95% of people aged 16 years and over have received their first dose of COVID vaccine and 93.6% have received 2 doses. Of the people aged 12 to 15 years, 81.4% have received a first dose and 78% have received 2 doses. In terms of hospitalisations, there are currently 1,609 people admitted to hospital with COVID, and 131 of those are in intensive care, including 38 who require ventilation. There were 34,994 cases of COVID reported in New South Wales in the 24 hours to 8 o'clock last night, and in the same period, more than 111,000 COVID tests were reported. Sadly, we're reporting the deaths of 6 people with COVID, 5 men and 1 woman, aged in their 20s, 60s, 80s and 90s. 2 people were from the Lake Macquarie area, 3 from Western Sydney and 1 from the ACT. The man in his 20s from the ACT died at St Vincent's Hospital. He'd received 2 doses of COVID-19 vaccine and had no known underlying health conditions. We'd like to express our sincere condolences to the family and loved ones of these people who have sadly died. We continue to see many unvaccinated people being admitted to ICU, including in young people. And it's a reminder for everyone across New South Wales to get vaccinated now if you've not yet done so, and to get your second dose as soon as it's due. New South Wales Health is working with vaccination providers across the state in preparation for the rollout of the Pfizer COVID-19 vaccine to children aged 5 to 11 years of age, which begins next Monday, January 10. New South Wales Health is encouraging parents and caregivers to make a booking for vaccination at any New South Wales Health vaccination clinic, in addition to general practitioners and community pharmacies who will continue to deliver the majority of COVID-19 vaccines across New South Wales. New South Wales's booster program continues to ramp up as more people become eligible, with New South Wales Health already having delivered more than 250,000 vaccine boosters to help keep people safe and increase the level of immunity within the community. Booster doses of COVID vaccine are now available for everyone aged 18 years and over. People aged 18 years and over are eligible for a booster if they have had their second dose at least 4 months previously. And we urge people to get their booster dose as soon as they become eligible to best protect themselves, their loved ones and the community against the spread of COVID. And we strongly recommend that people aged 12 years and over who are severely immunocompromised have a third primary dose of vaccine from 2 months after their second dose. As many of us prepare to return to work from holidays, we'd like to remind everyone of the importance of wearing masks. Masks are compulsory for those aged 12 years, over 12 years in all indoor non-residential settings, including hospitality staff and in offices, unless you're eating or drinking. Masks are an effective way to help protect yourself and others around you from catching or spreading COVID-19. Employers should allow an employee to work from home if it's reasonably practical to do so. If you can't work from home and you go into your workplace, please wear a mask at all times. We encourage people to work from home where it's at all possible. This will help minimise the number of people who are travelling to and from work and in the office. Practice other COVID-safe behaviours, including good hand hygiene, washing and sanitising your hands regularly, and physically distancing along with mask wearing. And if you're unwell, of course, please protect others. Don't go into the office, don't go into work or shop or socialise. Get tested and isolate until you receive a negative result. So thanks everyone for coming forward for vaccination, for protecting all of our community by practising COVID-safe behaviours and isolating and testing if you've got any symptoms at all. Many thanks.